Hello and welcome everyone to Little Corruptor Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Corruptor, and I'm going to be working on a Cricut vinyl project. Additional information about this show and my podcast show, Arts, Cuts, and Everything in Between, can be found on my website, eileenlittlecorruptor.com. Alrighty guys, so today I'm going to be making a project for an image project using a Hello Kitty image. This SVG, unfortunately, I cannot find the seller on Etsy anymore. It was iHeart SVG. So anyway, so I had previously tried to film this before, but I just made a couple of mistakes. So anyways, the first mistake that I made, which is gonna be a little obvious, is I didn't make the weeding box big enough. So part of the image got cut off. So you want to make sure that the weeding box, if you don't want a weeding box, it's okay. I just do that because I don't want to waste vinyl, and I find that it's a little bit more easier to work with. So at this point, I realized that if you guys don't know how to upload an image, you just hit that upload image. It really is important that you try and work with the tags so that you can keep find the image a little faster. So I'm going to attach this image, this Hello Kitty image. What you would do is, if the image is not in the front, what you would do is hit the edit button and arrange the front. Once it's together, you want to put like a lasso over it, hit right click with your finger, go around the image, and then at that point you will go back to actions button and you will attach the image so that it becomes just one image. And you'll notice that by that little gray button, which has like a arrow going one way and the other way, like a yin yang sign, or you can always just go to your layouts panel to find out how that looks. And as you can see, again, the image, I should have made that weeding box a lot bigger. So we're at the virtual mat at this point. All you would have to do for that part is just to hit the make it button. And I like to try and keep it away from the edges. I just feel safer that way. Once you hit the, I forgot what button that is, the little Cricut button, make it or connect, whatever. Anyways, it will go over to what kind of materials you want. You'll hit the search, or if you have like your favorites. So here it is. I'm just going to type up vinyl. And I'm just going to put the VIN, and it will take me to the whatchamacallit that I need. For the most part, the materials have like a little star. You can just kind of put it there. Once I find the glitter vinyl, because it's a little blind, once I found the glitter vinyl, I just hit that, and then what I did for that was I hit fast mode. You want to make sure that it's not a delicate project. This is really not a delicate project, so you'll hit fast mode right there, and then you'll hit your buttons on your machine once it prompts you to do so. And again, this is a glitter Cricut iron-on vinyl, in case you guys were wondering. And unfortunately, again, the shop that I was looking for, iHeart SVG Loves, on Etsy is no longer available. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to take off the weeding box, and this is at this point then I realized that I made my big boo-boo. I'm using my Cricut tools to weed out the box, and I will also be, so I didn't mention in the beginning, but I am using Cricut transfer tape. In the beginning, also when you first are taking the image off to put on the transfer tape, you want to scrape it in the front, and then you also want to flip the image around, and you want to flip it the back. You want to keep doing that a couple of times so that you can feel until the image comes off. So also you want to kind of check to make sure you do this very slowly and just gently take off until you can see the image slowly coming off without no problems. Also, I wanted to say that since if you feel that your transfer tape may be a little too sticky, just wipe it on your shirt and your pants. So we are all finished. Yay! So super duper excited. I love the way it turned out, even with the little mistakes. Anyway guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this project. Let me know if you'd like to see more of these projects. You can always email me your comments or questions or leave them down below. My email address is eileen@eileenlittlecraft.com. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.